Hey everyone, want to add Google Fonts to Wix? In this video, I'll show you how to change and customize fonts in your Wix website step by step. First, open the Wix website and sign in to your account. Open the website project where you want to update the fonts. Next, click *** edit site * to open the Wix editor and access your design settings. Now select any text element on your page and open the font options. Wix already includes many Google fonts that you can use directly in your website. Search for the Google font you want and select it to apply it to your text. Next, customize the typography settings, such as font size, weight, spacing, and style, to match your website design. If you need more advanced font options, check Wix settings or custom code features available for your website setup. After making changes, preview your website and review how the font looks on different pages. Finally, publish your website and test it on both desktop and mobile devices to make sure the fonts display correctly. And that's how you add Google Fonts to Wix. With the right font choices, you can improve your website's appearance and create a more professional design. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.